If you want to know how to forward a video from a Telegram private channel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to share a video from a private Telegram channel with someone from your contacts list. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your device and go to the private channel that contains the video you want to share. Once you're inside the channel, find the video you want to forward. On desktop, right-click the video to bring up the options menu. On mobile, you may need to press and hold the video depending on your device. From the menu, click or tap forward. This tells Telegram that you want to send that video to someone else instead of just viewing it in the channel. Next, Telegram will open your contacts list or sharing screen. Here, choose the person or contact you want to share the video with. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right recipient, especially if you have a long contact list. Once you've chosen who to send it to, click the send button. Telegram will then forward the video to that person right away. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a video from a Telegram private channel. It really is that simple once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.